First at 5, there are still many questions surrounding a deadly drag racing incident in Kerrville over the weekend. Police say 2 children died and several people were injured after a driver lost control on the airport runway and slammed into spectators. Eyewitness News reporter Zach Briggs is live outside the Kerrville airport with the latest. Zach?
Well, Deborah, at least a few thousand people attend the event over the weekend here at the airport, and what ended in tragedy has raised questions of liability and safety.
It's a great tragedy, and the injuries and the loss of life are very regrettable, and it seems very likely to me that there's going to be litigation that will come out of this.
Race Wars 2 was promoted as an action-packed, family-friendly event filled with fast cars and big money on the line. But the event, organized by Flying Diesel Performance, devolved into disaster. In this video posted on the company's Facebook page, owner Ross Dunnigan reacts to the unfolding situation.
And there has been an accident. We were taking care of it. The race is shut down, and we ask that you please pray for everybody involved.
Attempts to reach Ross today were unsuccessful. St. Mary's law professor Vincent Johnson anticipates wrongful death and survival-related lawsuits on the horizon. Proving degrees of negligence would be a central part of the litigation.
Texas has what is called a proportionate responsibility system, where you compare the conduct of the plaintiff with the conduct of the potential defendants.
Johnson says spectators would be treated as business invitees under the law, since a $20 fee was required to access the event.
They're entitled to a very high degree of care to protect them from harm.
Pictures show metal gates and water-filled barriers along the racetrack, but whether they extended down to the finish line is another question.
If this drag racing is treated as a type of sport, that may be important to how the litigation plays out.
And meanwhile, Kerrville police still investigating what happened over the weekend. They are asking for anyone that was there at the event to send them videos and pictures to assist in the investigation. For now, we're live in Kerrville. Zach Briggs, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.